Yes, my mommy and my papa. Good evening, good morning, good all the time. My brother and sister. King Badon don't come here share some small idea. I'm really sick for two to go on now. At least I don't deny for come out talk, but something say me I see come out the talk. God they tell me say come out talk. At least me I can give my own opinion and thing will happen now for Bamenda. I'm talking about Bamenda. When I know how to make my video now for pitching. Charity begin at home. I must talk now for play what I know. Play what I get experience. Play what I feel explain my people. My people problem there Bamenda. Insecurity done too much, something they come to happen, something go happen. Before I start my video, my people, I salute my petit frère them, and then tell when I'm one of them. When I start my video, I'm gonna know Sabi one of them. I got reason to talk. I don't pay taxes for Bamenda for 37 years. I'm a proprietor right now, so I'm talking, I'm still paying tax in Cameroon for Bamenda. Don't have right to explain give my own opinion. Cameroon is a freedom of speech. I know what I'm talking about. I'm talking about myself and my inspiration and so I to go through my people. My people, before I can start off here, thing with kidnapping will happen for Bamenda. Kidnapping will go on another main subject is until Bamenda will go through and talk for my picking them. Before I want to start, me I have talk for my picking them. Petit frère, thank you very much. Few of you don't understand Petit. Petit, same way when I come out take that gun. When I put the gun down, I put the gun down. For my last video, I know see the wrong can give when I will start again. When I see the one I wake up the destroy time Petit. When the cash when the queue when I immediately. You see people they take that money can give from a Petit frère. After you learn to hustle, you feel left for your half for the run Petit. Petit, I beg when a Petit, you if you survive for what they are doing. Put the gun down. Many activists, Anglophone activists abroad, they don't know where to go on. I don't discover, say, them sisters don't know where to go on. Petit frère, when I respect when I'm a man or papa, blessing come from parents. Petit frère, when I respect when I serve. When I respect when I serve, put the gun down. Yeah, for say when I for kidnapping, banditism, no be Ambazonia. When I know kidnappers and taking money, they send Ambazonia. No, that banditism, where all we know the people. And where they come today for can talk about the people we then they do them. But no man again talk about my people. Me I love mama picking them again. Mama, me and my papa, I come for talk some fine talk today. I salute again, mama, me and my papa, my brother and sister. At the big Bamenda people, some question they were one can ask them. I don't make very big videos. Today, do you want a video 181? My previous video that I talk about who the recently picking focus thing. Who are the really Ambazonia, my people? My people, when I see to change the come out talk, that's blank fool. Yeah, Pop no say for Nigeria the cash and kill them, but for Bamenda, and them go for negotiate. Then call them and call and then can they kidnap them. That's not Ambazonia. It's a negotiation we don't come to compromise. Now Ambazonia for don't call them, they come. For can negotiate. Don't they know them? They know them, my people. My people, the only country for the world after they reading what they read them. Where Ambazonia they show you face, terrorists they show you face openly. Terrorists they make bonus. Terrorists make birthday. Terrorists stay for public. Terrorists they enjoy normal life. Terrorists show you picture for judicial media. Terrorists show you face. All man knows saying I eat that. All country for the world where terrorists stay for hotel. My people, you never stay with them general for hotel for Bamenda. General where they stay in hotel to hotel. Then go for a fund and they see the number for business people all. The ones they never catch them, my people. My people would seek election for Batibo because Batibo I don't write. Because the Batibo problem, I make some document for Batibo problem. And they don't call me, see me, I write some document. I'm writing a document concerning what happened in Batibo. It's my own opinion, please. I don't tell you, say I don't write. No, I'm not writing for you people there. No, I'm writing about what I know. For the time where I don't stay for the 7th division. My people now wouldn't tip election for Batibo. My people now they find who be Ambazonia. Then he bomb for Batibo 1 week before election. For Barak. Then press the bomb. When army man know they when a civilian did it. Then put bomb for Barak. Then engage the bomb when uniform man know did it. Now civilian did it and die. For threatening and assassination for us. They don't make election for Batibo, my people. After threatening, the result come out. We know the people. Why we need to talk about the people where they cause that sling in Batibo? Why? Because Batibo are gone for Batibo for life. Batibo and Gini come back. I didn't for Batibo because I feel talk Batibo well and know Batibo. Why they need to talk about the people where they tip election for Batibo? Who are them? Thank you very much. I see a pastor where come and talk about people for Batibo. When I know they talk, but every man talk, when I go listen now, I thank God because all of us are talking in one direction. We know be some man go tossing a Idwam. We are fighting all of us together. We can solve the issue. Who be the ambassador when I talk my people? Who are the kidnappers? My last video 179, 180. I talk for when I say very soon they will start come for again. They don't go hold the meeting. They don't go hold the budget. Now the people can't threaten when they give me national for us. It's not Ambazonia. Now kidnapper, now thieves. Sunday Banzi. Not be Ambazonia. They will catch them for hotel general. When they here for war front, then catch a whole general. And then what is the year for information? What will be the process? Parliamentarian for messager, then key. What will be the process? Don't pop see now the people where they catch them, they don't kill them. Then go for negotiation, it fail. Now them take their food, then go there. It fail from that negotiation. Bishop Keyawe come out talk. Oh God, I don't want to talk bad talk. May God protect me. Bishop Keyawe there for church. The big man will come to talk about Pobia. Church men who church grumble. Why Pop not talk about that part? My people, but many people. Many wanna go school. But today that's wanna be school goer. Ali wanna wear slaving dresses. Because I be slave servant, civil servant. When I ask the meaning of civil servant, when I take salary, they work for wear tie, slavery servants. But when I don't go, even I know the school they will pass for, but when I get some more brain, because when I take salary, how manage for country where people take salary, say be government worker, intellectuals, things that happen for na front, true don't come out all. The people where they send the children to community action is our elite, but the children become bandit. They use them for what their money. Think what they do for Southwest, my people. Last video I tell you when I say what Medino money for CDC. We know the group of people when a parliamentarian elite now they control the money, not the government. All them they pay the beginning for do the action. Video don't talk. Everybody don't explain. Every proof there for my country people page. Who don't talk nobody. Who are the Ambazonia? Who be Ambazonia? It tell you say when the left person with the same banger, go catch person with the small banger. But person with the same banger when I know you, when I let you go catch the smoker, why are we lying ourselves? Why when I recruit the opportunity make the kill when I picking them frustrate with our parents? Who are the Ambazonia? But Bowa don't talk so I go die for day. Who commit goes down? Who send people for us? Who tip election? The Pope not talk nothing. People are complaining. Children are being arrested. Why? Because they come up for fight for their fundamental right. Then tip their vote. What caused the problem? Because they steal their vote. But they are talking about arrestation. What caused the arrestation? Where are the intellectuals? Where are the mayors? I'll be surprised today for see something for social media. We find me. Chicha de for Banso. They wake up the complaint say the kidnapping done too much. Look, they are talking in 2025. But 2018-19, where Banso people be the donate money, teachers, give them for Ambazonia 9 million, 7 million for Chacha every year. Chacha died and bring the money for 4 million. Digital message and transparencies. All what I'm saying is there for my country people page. That's what we are calling intellectual. We are what they are calling our elite, our teachers. They be the donate money for give them for picking the mess school no go on. Say them be Ambazonia. Now they begin to continue for the money, they don't say cry. My people, they change the cry because they don't want to give the money again. Any man, now perseverance and give on. Perseverance and give on, what never come for them. Any man, we don't take a hand give for Ambazonia money to go do bad. Wet the return, the return. The return they come for you. All what is happening is return because they don't want to give the money again. It's a commercial. It's not Ambazonia issue. It's a bandit. It's a monarchy system. I know Cameroon government. If the Cameroon government who don't work inside the security want to stop this issue now 24 hours, at least 1 week, peace go reign. Cameroon security 1-1. My people now say for Francophone side, they catch the very picky with the gun, catch the very picky with collapse. Then key for night, they make investigation catch them, ask them question. But in Bamena, they kill them immediately because they are trying to lose the source of information until they catch a whole general. General get phone for nearly all hotel business people, all Anglophone business people there for general phone. I don't call their name because I'm not a traitor. Because no matter everything, the truth must last come back for table. I don't want to copy their name. Why I call some people their name? It didn't say that because people know me. But all of us know the truth, my people. Why are we turning around, suffering our children? Which Anglophone did they go school in this traumatized way they get for Peking? Kidnapping the preacher, kidnapping this. The Pope is not saying nothing. Don't the Pope no say and say the tip election. The Pope no say and say that the key innocent picking them. The key na key, but the kidnap you on na kidnap them, they don't kill them. Pope get for top by that time. My people, something is wrong somewhere. Let's say the truth. Banks Otisha the Krawati. Now they start to them money jam for picking them. They be take money jam for picking them. They be take the salary gives a man of money. Where they be the host and all man of the money, jam for picking them. Plenty don't there, plenty there for what money. Phone up. When I see person go kidnap 8 people, show your face, show you either for crowd. Oh man, they see. Oh man, they hear you. When I say na Amazonia, that's a collective game. It's a business. It's a collective game. Cameroon is a country in the world, let's say in Africa, we get the best investigators. Cameroon one. They know everything. Example you can see in Douala, Yaoundé, Bafoussam, etc. Why only in Bamenda? They are killing them. But in different regions, they are arresting them. That's the difference. The promoter of the issue are the elite. I be telling my people, election they come, we are going to come out talk about election. I can't have to talk about the kidnapping for no hours. I can prepare myself for that election. Wait, they come. Now what I don't start kidnap again. And my people, you don't bad now. Last time I said when I begin with for now and not cover power no year. Now any man go fight for security because nobody know the next. Any man is the next. Anything will happen for any man. Any player will stand there if you not an more, now you're concerned. Because the game is digital and open. It's a monarchic system. The Cameroon's government need everybody to call blue, white, call red, yellow. They are forcing us to speak the lies. Because I can understand. Children rise up to fight for their fundamental right. Then go to election, then thief them. Then come on complain when I shoot them, arrest them. Everybody see them. But when I talk to you, it cause the problem. When I talk about arrestation. Atangan Jipo, Minister of Territorial Administration. Atangan Jipo, Delegate of National Security. Atangan Jipo, big man for Gendarme. Atangan Jipo, President of Cameroon. My people, how many ministers working in Cameroon? Mr. Nji, kudos. Mr. Atanga, why call your name now for pigeon talk? Me remain for we for Bamenda. Because if you take me go for front, I will noy you for nothing. You will get a apartment and broke me, but I will noy you for nothing. I thought for pigeon me remain inside we for Bamenda. Yes, because you be president for Cameroon. You see the way they happen. When they did for that side, they say Atanga Jipo say Anglophone, na Bamenda man. They use Bamenda man for cause confusion. But I will continue for Atanga Jipo say thank you for the Anglophone moral, for the Anglophone spirit, for fight for their right. Because you, Anglophone don't start off for fight for that right. Thank you, Mr. Atanga Jipo. You are doing well. But my people, I'm coming back for the kidnapping. Who are the one who kidnapping? 12 October, result for election. It show everybody, digital, transparency, everybody see them. Say some people, the cost goes down for vote. Who is the people? Don't the very beginning where they do the auction, they don't change. Now the very beginning they come and give order. Say no man will go outside, no election. I be there, I make video 177. Say now they never give the money. Money will enter for the hand. Video 178, 79, I tell you now, say money don't enter. When I don't see the result, all of you make una fear for say una for us, but they say pop come talk sweetie. Pop no see say man we send am make come for Bamenda inaugurate cathedral. He can talk about pop be a church complaint. Why pop no talk for that point? Pop no see am. Don't pop no see the holla where some pastor come out repeat back my video. Talk about elite and the election in Batibo. The pastor shout. Pop no see am. Pop no see that one. Mais vous voulez quoi enfin là? Vous voulez go school, civil slaves, wear tie for neck, wanna be civil servant, wanna be intellectual, and the torment and the worst people who they are suffering is the lawyers and the magistrate. The thing where they come now, when I'll go back for us surely. You know, not take care of man go back for us again seriously. You, the magistrate, intellectual, why are you suffering? What is your own crime? Lawyer, what is your own crime? What is the children crime? Where some people go take money, I tell you from my video, say Urande Bamenda, the very people that tip election, then they are under the whole meeting. For on a budget, no boards never talk in now. Where are the journalists? The Urande say they are under the whole meeting. People that represent my people. So my brother, they will love him, my country people. A very nice guy. At least I don't say and see no politics, he's trying his best. As he talk something today. Say it's actually my Meggy and Capo Daniel. That's people that at least people that I don't know where they're coming from. But I thank God because all of us we are speaking in the social media. And any message for social media, be the diagnosis and then get the confirmation. Now I say all my video na proverbs. My country people, thank you. You are doing well. You be moka mo pikin. I will repeat it again. You be moka mo pikin. Then take election for your village. 100 people no vote. Result comes say 5,000 people vote. You are not seeing the error in the government. But you are telling people you get more than 500 people for your page. You say Chiroma make wrong for it be very wrong to run Cameroon. Look at what you are saying, my friend, my country people, young guy. Frunzi win, they're looking for us. Come to for 1992, Frunzi win, they're looking for us. 2018, come to win, they put it for prison. Chiroma win, they put spy for his ceiling. When I see them, made them for them, then kill me when I'm glad. When they keep people when I'm glad. Any blood with the land for ground. And then you leg the touch that very ground, you have to pay for it. If you know, if you not be bastard picking away, we not get parents, but at least the Bible and the education tell you, don't joke with the human being blood. I said that blood they drop for ground, when I put the touch that ground, reaction is very fast. I know stay. Let's be speaking the truth. So solving a problem in the country is to speak the truth. It's not to torment the language. May it's such a she don't. Mando, we don't talk say we don't vote Issa Chiroma. Now we say we don't vote Issa Chiroma. May represent we. Don't may come for front me and key. May all we should don't for us. We say ghost town when I do on a day. Ghost town Francophone and go more for 3 days. All they get gastric. All they don't go for us. Make Chiroma do her. It is time for diplomacy because anyone see blood. Killing of people is not a solution. They must fight a military war. They must kill people. That's not a solution for a language. Why can you not go and die? They will kill and who you are one of the people. They go and control our lives. No, don't say that. We know the monarchy system. We are living in monarchy system. A country that children came out to reclaim their vote, they kill them. Country when you know my minor, how can you put him for 16 years, 17 years in front of scream, they say we are Ambazonia. Minors, they don't know all the minors, but all of them are living abroad. You know the meaning of minor. You know the meaning of minor. Penal code for Cameroon know the meaning of minor. A child of 18 years don't have to answer a question without his parents beside him. A child of picking for 18 years, no get picking for 17 years, no get for answer any question where papa and mommy no they for konai. Never. Yeah, that when I want to take example. I see intellectual that come up for social media in London. You are comparing the anglophone. You know the for questioner. Ça vaut pas la peine. You don't compare digital country, democracy country. With a democracy country, with a monarchy country where they want everybody to support CPDM. 2011 November, October, before election, my video will be make a tell when I say it. The simple truth to be happy. Any man go so uniform for CPDM, wear tricot for CPDM, for security. Wearing the tricot and the wrapper no mean say be one of them. For run away from your security. Because if you welcome to you are a prisoner, you wear a party of FNS for Chiroma, you are a prisoner. It's a monarchy. Where's the democracy country need? Where's the sovereign country? Where they talk to, they love you talk like they applause to you. We know the country where for Anglophone and war for 9 years today, all the Ambazonia are Okada riders. Their first identification now Okada riders. But our Minister of Territorial Administration, we come for any place, equal at them, give them petrol, give them money. That's the best way to solve the problem for a minister. To give petrol to Okada rider, to a minister for Cameroon. They are promoting Okada riding. That's simple truth. They are promoting Okada riding. They say election. They buy 79 Okada for Douala for Gogiam for Okada. But when I go here, be 70-something million, 700-something million. That's what they are doing. Monarchy. And the boss in the monarchy is all. My people, this is a simple question. Who is really ruling Cameroon? Who they rule Cameroon? Who is the president of Cameroon? Because go for the digital eyes. In the open eye. The president in Cameroon is Tangan Jipo. Who is giving rules and regulations is Tangan Jipo. And who is confirming the rules is Ngongo. Now when they give rules, the Cameroon get how many ministry? One alone won the war. Alone one ministry the war. Another ministry there for Kona Eto. The Con Eto the Con Eto all man the same strong place top. That's a monarchy system. You cannot do with those people and come free. Nobody is free. Don't when I want to take money, whether when I slave dressing, where could we get tie, slavery, civil servant, born to save. One member civil servant, one member civil, one member civil, one member servants. That's what I will earlier say. Many of you are speaking English speaking, not English comprehension. When I return to English, many people they clap say when I go school. But when no knowledge not inside, no comprehension on the inside. And they call when I say intellectuals. If you want to feel the BF so when I go school, teacher for bouncer, when I will go get money for picking them. Now they need the money when I say that they kidnap. He said, yeah, you are wrong. You are the cause of everything. We will go back to Bo, then hit bomb for Bara, then place the bomb key in a civilian. They no key uniform people. The man will place the bomb. He no place them for key uniform, my key in a civilian. They scare everybody they go house. Then can't tip election. Really, when they get warned on something vote that because all man the fear. And then come say don't vote for. Because if CPD get 5,000 something, SDF gets 700 something. Chiroma get don't more than 7,000 people come out for bad people for vote. Why they need to talk about? Why the Pope need to talk about? Why the Pope no knows that something caused the Pope beginning for be stubborn? Why the Pope need to ask the question? Don't the Pope want to solve the problem without solving the solution? That's why we now solve the problem. For Nigeria, Pope talk about kidnapping. Where there is a kidnapping is Nigerian. Nigeria they do kidnapping. What Donald Trump talk about? But Anglophone take and put them for that page. Anglophone take and because they want to leave. Then get people with, I don't talk say with a video. Share. I don't do that for my page. Look my video. Learn. If you get something there, tell somebody. If you share them for somebody, you get problem. If you like them, get problem. Listen my video, tell somebody. Don't share it. I'm not doing business. I'm not a businessman. I'm a rich guy. I'm very rich. King Barra is too rich. I don't go for the 7th division. May one person come out and say, no, this man no come from my village. I know she don't challenge me. I make business from the 7th division for Northwest. I know all of you. I know your problems. You people are protecting the killer among you. The killer are the elite, the contractors, the business people, illegal monies, people that have money that they cannot edit it. They are among one. How can a slave servant be compound for 100 million? How can civil servant who is living in salary have more than 100 million? How can you protect the thieves? Pobia, I don't talk for long. I don't call them for Pobia. You know, concern Pobia. We are the solution for many of our problems. We cause our problem knowingly. You should end this complaining. Pop don't talk, say Pop no get for talk. Pop talk, say what? You were here to talk for Pop. Why don't I write for Pop say, as I don't write to complain concern Anglophone. I write about 16 billion. Where that woman, barrister, that woman where Isa Chiroma put and say a mouth speaker. It takes 16 million, 16 milliard. Where that 16 billion concern the Anglophone problem. I write. I will see fan lawyer, any lawyer where I say be talentual. May contact me, I give the file. And then second file, what I write for, Batibo problem. Make them see what happened. That's what caused the problem. What caused the problem is there. And who caused the problem, they are there. And then you want to look for children that are stealing. You ever see a terrorist where they stay for town? You ever see a terrorist stay for hotel? So they then kill terrorists because terrorists want your fish. Terrorists say no, than for buying me, boom, and go buying and burning fish. So they explain what's that they go buy. Terrorists is a woman, the worker for market, you pick the worker. Terrorists enjoy, terrorists make bon house. Terrorists, how do you use two languages different? What mean by terrorists? What mean by thieves? How can you call thief Ambazonia? A kidnapping, Anglophone Bamenda has the problem. Why? When I go take federal law, I don't talk say federal law, this comes spoiled Bamenda lawyers. Then go to Nigeria, come with a paper. Some practical federal law for Bamenda. Now they don't go bring kidnapping for Nigeria. All the bad in Bamenda is coming from Nigeria. All the bad example in Nigeria are setting up for Bamenda and Buya. All the negativity when Nigeria do is setting for two regions. Anglophone region. How can you be doing wrong? Every day they are killing your children. But less than 20 kilometers from you, from Bunda, they are arresting them. They are investigating them. They are arresting the promoters. But for you, then kill them one time. Are you not thinking that something is wrong? How then decide for use Anglophone them for neutralized country? My people, now when I begin they kill them. Now when I smoke, the dance they don't come back again. When I educate when I people, the people that are causing the problem, the really terrorists in Bamenda are the elite and the contractors. My people, the really traitors in Bamenda. I only propose some my thing for my page when I'm negative. When I go see that when I find per through and go for the debt, when I go for a page for Facebook and YouTube, If they post work the way don't work, if they put million. If they buy 3 computers, 3 pencils, 3 windows for 30 million. If they repair school them for repair that man, we say beating for 19 point something million. That's the Anglophone. That's the CPDM people, the monarchy system. They are taking your money in front of you. Put them for prices, they don't spend 30 million. You want to don't buy 2 computers, buy 2 tables, buy it in 30 million, they put them for the nobody is talking. Is that Pobia? All the money is paid, my people. I tell you, Pobia is the best president in the world. From Baron Blair, he own all. I paid pattern for Cameroon for 37 years. Why am I not complaining? The man own all. And I don't tell my people, this is the secret I'll tell you. Go there now, please. This is the secret I tell my people. I don't make you to tell you, say, God the keep up here now. May all the secret come upside. This is Amok power telling you people now. Man for Amok society. The Baron Blaise. They small for kill me. They look at my people, they beat me for night. They know me where, but normally it's normal. The power is there, I have the powers. Let me repeat it. The powers will be amount. If they keep up here, why? Make all Cameroonians see the negativities. Make Cameroonians see all their errors. I believe that today, 65% of Cameroonians don't know the problem for Cameroon. 65% of Cameroonians today don't really know the problem for Cameroon. We know already say, now early the cause problem. My people, this, I don't want to talk for video again. All what is happening to us is being caused by our elite. Simple example. This one is for the intellectual. People who don't go school, lawyer, teacher, magistrate, director, banker. How can you vote? Some few people come tip the election. Who are the few people, the mayor, the honorable, and the senator? Less than 3 days, the very people are in Yaoundé, making meeting to your budget. They are not representing you. They are against you. But they still go for government. Go stand to represent you. My country people, please, you have more than 500 people for your vote. I will explain for Anglophone Bamenda the meaning of parliamentarian, mayor, and senator. They are the representative of the people. I beg my country people tell them. I beg petit friends, I like you are a great guy. I beg tell them my country people. I know you go here, someone go here tell you. I beg my country people educate your people. Tell them the meaning. How can you sit there? The intellectuals, the incompetents, people where they get first school living, where they don't get old, now they be una mayor, now they una parliamentarian. They don't go home on a meeting for a budget, for take una money, when they can't keep an election, can't sing for una front and solve una. But what did happen for now? Sometimes the way you're to get people, you take and go garage. When I bring it to go back for formatting, what is happening for you people? People that work at talk nonsense. Say the Pope don't talk, say. The Pope no talk about killing for more than 10,000 youth. Pope no talk. You know, yeah. The Pope no yeah say people they win elections. Some man system by power. Pope no yeah. Pope no send the man for Bamenda. You can make mask on them for Pope. Yeah, all man grumble. Pope no see him. Pope the scene at the way you go favor ye. I want hear Bishop Kese. If he did not release them, he go close church them for Northwest. Fund up. Mamma mia. Miss Anke, the church they do it for 9 year war. What the church don't do for church don't do for fund up. Where one go, some man go talk to me no go. That cathedral we go fix and so now for man can land and Menankwe. That case there for Frawa go bring them for front tomorrow. That case for that land for Big Mancon. I know the case, Mr. Bishop. You can not come, you will go na go. You are not ashamed, a man for that your ear, a whole bishop. Look the way your people are living in your village. Look people for your village, their lifestyle. You are there speaking English, speaking French. Dance the. And if you call you, because I go seminary, you can try. If you try the sacrament for Mary, go hit you with a fire. I went to seminary. I passed through the way where you pass. That's simple truth. You are a wicked father. Let's say the truth and fear the devil. You cannot be there. People are dying. People are suffering. The truth is there. You say when I don't make about what 12,000 thing for vote, they don't do it all. What will be the next? What is the next? What will be the next? But I don't say when I do the whole when I go when I don't enough for pay ransom. I will not pay for the picking them. You cannot leave your contractor alive. When I continue to bring kill them quick, with no judgment, because I know the truth. You people are wicked. People are wicked. And you are calling, people, they keep people come for children and take communion jam for them. That's shameful, Mr. Bishop King. I hope that you are aware, it says 64 billion are leaving Cameroon every month, every week. You know, you are a man from Southwest, Material de Komogo and Nigeria. God may not be aware. You don't know them. Then can you give them communion? But don't tell now. The reason why nature the Kimbia for life. You know, correct so. Maybe we change our problem. When I begin call people say bishop them, when are blood suckers. The same way they die for no West. Now when I want to talk, when I put one can talk. Yes, civil servants. Yes. But when I know say terrorism, now new virus for the world. I don't make videos say the war is trying to metamorphose. Any man they try to go back for your tradition, for your roots. That's the simple problem by man. When I run go back for our culture and tradition, immediately, I say immediately, you know, remain they complain the matter they come now, the way you come now, when I know if you cope. I promise you now. The one way they come now, when I know if you cope. Yes. When I know if you cope. When I respect when a wife, now woman they keep family, no woman they keep home, no man they keep home. Yes. When I respect when our children. Yes. So I say that are nonsense. You know correct so. You know correct me when I begin to listen nonsense. When I see people that come up for social media, a big journalist, them cool computer, pull light, they are talking about event. They're not talking about what they know. You cannot speak in the public without knowing what is going on. You cannot be making, when I make debate, share, for waiting for tomorrow, talk we go here, go, she don't talk. Are you don't invent the problem? But only is talking about what I am going through, what I'm feeling. I'm talking about what I am going through now. But we are talking about what we hear. Medalo. Ambazonia activist, Cristiano don't become advisor. Cristiano don't say I'm sitting with Roma don't know what I mean. Key na key. You say Ambazonia made a key na key, made the same money for them. Only killing. Is that a judgment? How can you live by killing people? You are killing. You are living by making publicity to kill people. Is that a life? Francophone's a problem. Ambazonia activists inter all. Now when they know green kill, they say no, that system not correct. They want me killing. Aye. But when I see the way Francophone judge that case, they are talking, they are writing. Yes. Massa. You support Lucifer, you are safe. You talk true, you are dead. Man talk true, run. Man talk lie, then give money. Man gonna wear that. Anything they move opposite. Wonderful country. Ethiopia say no. In one year, they say go make campaign. Ethiopia is not for make campaign. Don't go for cause they say a bad man. Nganu say no. And if you for me probably a bad man. You did it, you na problem. You know they did na problem. Me say quoi ça les Camerounais? Anglophone, what's your problem? What's the problem, Anglophone? C'est même devenu quoi là? On a des things out for head. Intellectuals, civil servant. On a the way could wear tie. Civil servant, civil. Nasa. Massa. When I see a whole country, national team for country one play football. Player then they suck. Then go take player away, he come up for rape. Then meet a player for Wednesday where they quarrel with the two girlfriend. They fight for hotel. Player away, they come up for sex woman. Less than 24 hours, they put the player for fee. You see the way they no one make come around and they get happiness. Except the only thing we figure when I draw them ban them. Today, parents die in painful condition. Why would they send one for school? They send one for school and get all degree, A certificate, come back, parents die. What is the need to send children for school? What is the need for power for work money suffer for sending people for school? I know me when I work happy in pain. When I work at pretend when I happy when I die. Massa. But my people, but me and my petit frère, your blessing comes from your wife and your father. If you today, you know your papa don't die, your mommy don't die, ask a blessing to your wife. That's simple truth. If you get a woman, ask blessing for you. Now, woman, the whole compound petit. Petit when I put that gun down. That's what I believe. I lost a very dear person for me. Very dear person. Sister Marie. Oh, my first in-law for Bamenda. Grandeur Marie, wherever you are, may your soul rest in perfect peace, sister. You don't know yourself, God don't call you. May your soul rest in peace. You are a nice woman, you are a great woman, you work your own, you play your part. At least everybody come for the world for play your part. You are very unique. May your soul rest in peace. Yeah, that's my first in-law. That's true, my people. My people, you are the solution for many of our problem. At least when I get for know the people where the cause when a problem, now when I aid them, and when I contract them. They use una money to suffer una. Yes. The mayor they take care for school, take care for quarter. Mayor, this one, mayor office, big pass, he get function pass prime minister office. Mayor, the office, get function pass prime minister office. All we say for abroad. All we know really happen for abroad. Now what I say, many Anglophone activists, I've never forget the one. Many Anglophone activists, they are fighting, wasting their time because they don't know where to go on. Many of you are following the masses among una. Then people really say when are business people. Where they take money cause that confusion. When they follow that confusion without understanding what is going on. It's a business. But what they make baron blade the vex. You know, if you use your own people for make business. You know, if you use your own mommy, your papa, your cousin, your nephew for make business. That's why it worry me. You chop that money for side. All that money what they hear people laugh for internet, made that blood money. As my blood don't drop for ground and your pussy touch ground, go ask your mama may tell you.